If you want a job in today's 21st century marketplace, I'm going to share with you that is something so gold and it just actually works. You don't want to go anywhere. Make sure you come on back. I'm going to give you the number one methodology for getting a job right now. How's it going, Nez Nation? It's so good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. I want to share a stat with you. Did you know that 92% of all employers search your online presence during the interview process? And for people like you and me, people who are professionals, people who are ambitious, trying to advance their career, provide actual value, bring something to the table, that one place is LinkedIn and YouTube. And if you're just thinking to yourself right now, Nez, I wasn't expecting you to say YouTube. Yes, capital Y-E-S. Yes, YouTube has changed my life. It's changed my business. It's changed my career. It's changed everything. And what I'm going to share with you relates to YouTube big time. Everybody is doing the same old. It's 2021, y'all, as of this recording. And this is going to work even in the future as well. Resume is fine. I know you saw the thumbnail and I say this is better than the resume. I know a lot of people say the resume is dead. I'm not saying the resume is dead, but it's pretty much getting there. Having a cover letter, having a resume, having a LinkedIn profile, those are essential. You need to have a modern profile, a modern resume that is keyword optimized to get past these algorithms, as well as a cover letter. I know all that stuff, but that's the conventional way that you have been searching for a job. Let me know in the comments down below. How's that been working out for you? This is it. This is the number one secret to getting a job in 2021 and beyond. And it's not complicated. It's probably something that you've heard before. And it's actually something that you can do right this second. And that is you need to create a video that communicates who you are to your ideal target employer. This works for business, this works for job search, this works for career advancement, but more specifically because of this video, and I've got a ton of videos on video marketing and video creation and camera branding, but this type of communication, I'm living proof that this stuff works. I can't tell you how many times I've had a client say, Nez, the reason I hired you is because I loved your videos. I loved your personality. I got a taste of your energy. I understand where you're coming from. I got a good vibe from you. You got to understand something. A resume is a two-dimensional context. A cover letter is a two-dimensional context. I don't care how many accolades you have. I don't care how many degrees you have. It's still a two-dimensional context. It's a piece of paper. People don't hire pieces of paper. People don't hire your credentials. They hire your energy. And there's nothing that accelerates trust and three-dimensionalizes you more than what I'm doing right now, video. I mean, before you meet me, you're gonna get a really good idea of like my gestures, my mannerisms, my behavior, my attitude, my energy. Energy is everything. You need to create a video, and I'm gonna get into the details. I'm gonna get into the specifics, exactly how you need to do that. So make sure you stick around. I'm gonna get right into it. I've literally built two multiple six-figure businesses just on video marketing. And I don't even wanna say that word because I know as soon as I say video marketing, you're gonna start thinking like video marketing. That's not for me. I'm a CFO, or that's not for me. I'm a project manager. Video marketing, that's for the, as soon as I start juxtaposing those words together, everybody gets these really kind of disparate, tenuous images in their head, and first thing they think is, this is not for me. I don't know what you're talking about, Nez, and they don't click off this video because I'm telling you, if you're a project manager, if you're a financial analyst, if you're an executive, this is for you. More than a resume, more than a cover letter, more than a LinkedIn profile. If you create basically an elevator pitch a la video, which communicates who you are, why people should pay attention to you, and what problem you can solve for them, and you do that and you send it to whatever application company that you want to go after, I guarantee you're going to be in the top 5, top 10 applicants, because here's the kicker, which is just beyond shocking to me. Nobody's doing this. Like literally nobody's doing this. All the people you're competing with right now, if you're watching this right now, you're on the cutting edge. Congratulations. All the people you're competing with right now, they're doing the same thing. They're doing the conventional way. They're just filling out an application form, putting in their resume, putting in their cover letter. Everything is traditional, conventional. If COVID has taught us anything, we need to adapt. If COVID has taught us anything even more, it's accelerated the inevitable. This technology, online communication, online connecting, networking, LinkedIn, Clubhouse, all of these unbelievable platforms where you can grow your brand, grow your business, grow your thought leadership. If COVID has taught us anything, that this stuff is here to stay, it's basically accelerated the inevitable. This stuff is here to stay, and it's going to be here for a very, very long time. By you creating a 1 to 3 minute video, make it short, make it concise, communicating your value, you're going to stand out. Because if you're looking for a gig in 2021 and beyond, you need to understand that attention is the name of the game. You don't even necessarily have to have all the qualifications. If you ensnare attention in a very creative way, that's going to put you at the top of the list. And here's the kicker. You don't need a fancy microphone. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need fancy lighting. All you need is this. All of you guys have one of these in your back pocket. There's my kids right there. You can see them right there. So it's live. All of you guys have one of these in your back pocket. I know you do. So it has nothing to do with equipment. It has nothing to do with gear. You don't have to be a videographer. You don't have to be a professional filmmaker. You don't have to be anything like that. You don't even have to be technically inclined. All you need to be is putting the effort. Here's another thing I'm going to say. Your video doesn't even have to be that good. You're sending a powerful message just based on the fact that you even tried to do one of these, that you even attempted to send something more than everybody else. We're competing for attention, y'all. And this is going to grab attention. And so you don't even have any, so there's no pressure for equipment. You don't need fancy cameras. All you need is this. You don't need fancy audio. All you need is this. You don't need fancy lighting. All you need is this. And just really trying to communicate, who are you? Okay. Hi, I'm Professor Nez. I have an agency where I help professionals and executives grow their impact and their income online. Let me help you make the internet your friend so you can earn more, grow faster, and stress less. That's it. See how simple that was? That was less than what, 30 seconds, 40 seconds? Just a quick video. That's all you need to do. If it takes a little bit longer, don't beat yourself up. Again, it's the implicit message that you're sending. Just by putting out a video, just by sending them something is going to make you stand apart. If you stand apart, you've grabbed their attention. If you grab their attention, your opportunity to get a high-paying gig, get in that interview room, raises exponentially. So if you follow that formula and literally just rewind and look at the elevator pitch that I just gave you. Now, granted, I'm a branding expert. I'm a messaging expert. I've been doing this a really long time, and I've kind of got mine honed in. But I want you to think of it in 3 simple ways. Think of it in problem. Write this down. I want everybody to write this down. Problem, solution, results. Don't think of yourself as an employee looking for employment. Think of yourself as a business of one, selling your services for fair compensation. When you do that, you flip the script. You shift your mindset, because what most candidates do, what most of you are probably doing, is you make it all about yourself. This is what I want. This is what salary I want, benefits I want. If there's I. You've got to make it all about them. And so when you shift your mindset around that and you think of yourself as a business of one, you're more able to communicate that powerful message. So problem number 1, what is the problem that this position can solve? Project management, chief financial officer, executive sales, inside sales, whatever it is, chief engineer, whatever the problem is, what does the position, is the problem that your skills can actually solve? Start with that problem. So start with that problem, then go into the solution. Okay, what is the solution that the company is going to get out of working with you and hiring you? And then what are the results? So here's an example of what I'm talking about. Problem, solution, results. If you're struggling to advance your career and grow your business, look at that. So there's a problem. People are struggling to advance their career. They want to grow their business, start a business, what have you. Here comes the solution. It starts with a clearly defined brand message. That's the solution. And then here's the results. Let me help you earn more, grow faster, and stress less. So the problem is you're struggling to advance your career or your business. The solution is you need to clearly define what it is you bring to the table, your brand message, and the results are you're going to earn more, grow faster, and stress less. So you see how I did that? You can do this in under 30 seconds. That's what's crazy. And if you do a landscape video, In under 30 seconds, communicating your worth. Even if your video is, you don't have to be Tom Cruise. You don't have to be Professor Nez. I'm not comparing myself with Tom Cruise. I apologize. I know that sounded bad. But you don't have to be an actor. You don't have to be a professional camera branding communicator, is my point. Just be yourself. Communicate that. And I promise you, the next time that you go to apply for a job and you actually add this as part of your strategy and really reach out to people and send them the video directly if you can find a contact, your life is gonna change. I promise you. I'm willing to guarantee it. And I don't like giving guarantees, but I'm willing to guarantee you're gonna get a exponential increase in callbacks and interviews. I promise you. This is the same stuff I tell and implement with my clients. And so I would love to hear from you. What I want you to do is create these videos, go after the positions, come back here and leave comments. Let me know what happened. If you have any questions, also let me know in the comments down below, because guess what? I answer all the comments personally myself. And if you're new to this channel, I'm Professor Nez, personal branding coach, executive career coach, content creator. I basically help you make the internet your friend so you can grow faster, stress less, and earn more. So make sure you click subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything, because I'm putting out brain-busting content every single week. So thank you so much. If you got value from this video, please hit that like button and don't go anywhere, because if you love this video, you're going to really get a ton out of these two videos right here. Holy macadamia nut. These videos are going to take you even further, helping you to advance your brand and your career. So make sure you go check these out. Make sure you subscribe down there, and I'll see you over there. See you soon.